What kinds of jobs require more physical energy?
In today's era of industrialization and globalization, the diversification of labor has reached unprecedented levels, leading to jobs that vary significantly in their energy demands. Outdoor and manual labor roles, such as factory work on assembly lines or construction site jobs, undeniably require greater physical exertion compared to sedentary office positions. These roles demand stamina, resilience, and the ability to endure physically taxing conditions day in and day out. However, the digital age has also birthed new professions that, though seemingly less physical, still require substantial energy. Take YouTubers, for instance. Behind the glamour lies an arduous process of scripting, filming, gathering materials, and editing videos, tasks that necessitate both creative and physical vigor. To keep up with the relentless pace of modern life, one must be full of beans, running on all cylinders. After all, as the adage reminds us, Rome wasn't built in a day, and consistent effort is the cornerstone of success.
Contact Dr. in England.